Angel, thanks for dropping that like. Alright. Ouch. Ah, I tried to floss block. That's too bad. Uh-oh. Okay. Hey, Joshua dropping 60 more Twinkies in the chat. Thank you for the Twinkies, man. Uh-oh. That's too bad. Oh, I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Okay, I'm dumb. Okay, we're not that dumb. Motherfucker. Ah! Oh! Oh! We'll take it. John, thanks for the like. We got lucky there. We got lucky. Alright. Yeah. I love when they're like blocking for 10 seconds or more and then they still get hit by a raw telly. Oh, chill. John and Fabian, thanks for the likes, guys. Okay. Okay. No, it came out late. How sad. How sad. Okay. Mer. Ah! Ah! No, it's so sad. I could have got the fatal blow on the breakaway from the up two, but like it came out late. How sad. What the fuck is going on here? Okay. 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 Flavio, Andrew, Steven, thanks for the likes, guys. Uh-oh. Damn it. Ah! No. Oh. No, bro. All right. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's too bad. Oh, I didn't have a bar. I was trying to interactable. Fuck. Oh my god, he's not dead. Oh my god. Is it not? Yeah, there it is. Fuck. Samuel with the like, thank you. Ruben Samuel, thanks for the likes, guys. So unfortunate to have lost that. Robert and Keith, thanks for the likes, guys. Shoot. Uchi says your block is R2. I use R1 to block.
Round 2, fight.
Darjin and Kenneth, thanks for the likes, guys. That's too bad. Okay. Lorville with the like, thank you. Oh, that's ass. Alright. For a second I thought the bug was gonna fuck me up there. Kenneth says you need to incorporate that. The jump 1, forward 1 telly is fire. Yeah, you definitely do need to incorporate that. It's good. You sacrifice a lot of damage if you don't go for it. Okay.
Round 2, fight.
Damn it. Damn it. Shoot. Trying to anti-air. Silly me. GG's. Good luck, man. Alright. Michael with light. Thank you, Michael. Bob doesn't give me protection like the bugs do. Ow. Okay. Bob is royalty. Bob's royalty, guys. In case you're unaware, Bob is royalty. I thought I blocked that one. Hold up. Alright, the good thing about Bob is Bob does give us some good damage. And that man broke away. It's okay, though. Michael, thanks for the like. If the man didn't break away, we could get some pretty good damage with Bob. Because Bob doesn't scale like the Strepsiptera does. What up, Jonathan? Welcome to the stream, man. Oh my god, that's good. Hussein, Jonathan, thanks for the likes, guys. Go Bob. Oh, Bob didn't help as much as we were hoping he would there. Okay. 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 You know, just waiting it out. Just waiting it out for our opportunity. Oh. Of course. Of course. What am I thinking? Of course. Of course. Of course. Jonathan, Billy, who said, thanks for dropping them likes. Appreciate it, guys. What up, Billy? Says, happy to see you playing MK. Wait, what? I thought Billy was liking the God of War. Bernard, thanks for the like.
Final round. Fight.
Oh, well, that didn't do shit. Yeah, yeah. I don't have the timing down for the Bob side switch. Damn it. Fuck. Joshua Arnold, thanks for the likes, guys. Okay. Alright. This guy's pretty sweaty. He's blocking my teleports. That's supposed to block my teleports? What the fuck? Andy, thanks for the like.
Round 2. Fight.
Oh shit. Oh. Yo, give me a break out here, man. Thank you. Thank you. What up, Quentin? Welcome to the stream, good sir.
Final round. Fight.
Thanks for the like and share, Quentin. One too many jumps. One too many jumps. Oh my god, Buffora. Nah. Pat with a like, thank you, Pat. I was so scared. Okay, so we got a switch of some sort. I probably should have tried to pay closer attention to what was happening. Jade. Jade. Random teleport with Bob. Okay. We're getting some decent damage out of it. Okay, hello! The great thing is Bob does not scale here. So thank you, Bob. Thank you. We're gonna take this to make sure we can seal the round and we don't get that used against us.
Round 2. Fight.
Alex, thanks for the like. Bob should wait. Bob should just fucking wait for us, alright? We should be able to tell Bob what we need Bob to do. Oh, fuck. Uh-oh. That's called bait bait. Let's see what kind of Bob damage we can get. That's pretty solid. Oh, you're a lucky bitch. Fuck. Ah. Yer! GG's. I could feel him leave already.